Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website Rock Paper Product. I must say, I absolutely love your name. When I saw the URL, I thought maybe someone put by mistake my name. Obviously, I'm Rock Paper Copy, but I absolutely love it. And I think your website looks very, very enticing. I love the colors. I love the clear images. I love that you've got tagline in the hero image and call to action, and obviously the top navigation as well. So we've got shipping information, obviously some kind of information, but it's good because it shows that obviously you're up to date and you're still operating, you're still sending orders, but obviously they will be delayed. So this is important that you are acknowledging the situation. I recommend adding more featured products onto the homepage so people can browse them, can click and shop right away, which will further improve your conversion rate. You've got trust signals in the footer and professional email address. Consider also optimizing it for one-click contact. So it needs to be hyperlinked. So when someone hovers over it, the link gets activated so people can click it and it opens in their default email address. So this is much more convenient. Okay, so you've got links to your Facebook and Instagram. Also remember to open them in new tabs so you don't lose valuable traffic from your own website. Your SEO score is 58 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet is nicely optimized. I really like it. I like that you've got call to action. It's very enticing. It helps you stand out in the search results, which is perfect. You are missing H1 tags, so I recommend adding them. They are usually assigned to the page title on every page in Shopify. They're the most important for Google, so don't skip them and use them in the right order: H1, H2, H3, H4. Don't skip between the different sizes. I recommend adding more written content. This is very important for Google because the more written content you've got, the more content you've got for Google to index. So especially if you're blogging regularly, you send a signal to Google that there is new content to index. Obviously, Google will index you again. That's why adding fresh content helps SEO. And also optimize all images with alt tags. They also help Google rank your images in the search results. Your website loads in over 2 seconds, which is on the verge of not being user-friendly. The current Shopify websites load in under 1 second, so this is the new norm. Visitors and people browsing are slowly getting accustomed to, so that can definitely affect sales, that can definitely affect conversion rate, so I do recommend working on that. There are certain areas that need improvement. You've got certain redirects, you've got gzip compression, you've got DNS lookups that need to be optimized, and obviously HTTP requests that usually take a lot of space. So I do recommend on working on that.